Hello, everyone, and welcome to the induction event for the Global Coach Certification Program. This is your host and your experience manager, Ashwin. And today I'll be walking you through a beautiful journey, the journey of becoming a coach. And we shall unravel many secrets as well as many points that would allow you to become a successful coach. Let me tell you, this is indeed a very special event because today we are going to reveal a new update in our program that allows us to stay true to our vision and mission, that is to become a successful coach. So without further ado, I would like to pass on the baton to Director Mr. Hemant Lavangare, who will be walking you through your coach journey and most importantly, how do you become a successful coach? Thank you.
So the welcome to Master My Life Associate and coach aspirants present here. So this is majorly an introduction program on ICF coach training and education programs, in which we are also covering our own global coach certification program, which is one of the best coach education programs in the world. So today's introduction program is a combination of you knowing crux of coaching, how to become a competent, successful and contributing coach, what is ICF ecosystem, how you can take help from the ICF ecosystem and the MML ecosystem to start your coaching venture. So today we are going to cover A to Z of the crux of what you should know about becoming a coach and coaching. So this is the objective of today's 2 hours. What we are going to cover is what exactly is coaching and why become a coach. What is so great about coach and becoming a coach that we are conducting this particular webinar and you are attending in big quantum? What is exactly ICF? Who is MML? And what one individual has to know or need to know before taking a call of becoming a coach or deciding on a coach training and education program? What are the ICF credentialing levels and education pathways? What is this GCCP program, Global Coach Certification Program? What are its features? What exactly it contains? What are the variety of the support systems available to make you not only competent, but also a successful coach? During the program, during the coach training and education program, what is the communication mechanism we are going to have? Learning management system, email groups, and then testimonials from our existing students, and then the interaction and the Q&A on expectation setting. If you have any questions on the MML supports, certification, and then introduction of the MML management, program director, mentors, and faculty coaches. So this is what we are going to cover in 2 hours, and we will have ample time, more than 20 minutes time spared at the end of the session only for the question and answer. Your more than 95% of the queries are going to get addressed with this particular systematic presentation, because we already have experience. We have dealt with thousands of the people and we know the FAQs. So all the FAQs are already getting presented. But after that also, if you have left with any specific question, so last 20 minutes, we are going to discuss that as well. So when we talk about coaching, coaching is a different learning and development intervention. There are a variety of the learning and development intervention. There is a training, there is a teaching, there is a counseling, there is a mentoring, there is a psychotherapy. So there are a variety of the ways we intervene for the learning and development of an individual. Coaching is one of them, but it is very different. What is different about coaching? So unlike most of the other interventions, coaching is all about maximizing your client's potential. In the coaching language, many times client is being referred as coachee. So maximizing your coach's potential is the purpose of the coaching. It is a bit different, right? It is not to train, it is not to teach, it is not to advise, it is not to counsel, it is not only to solve a problem, it is not only for achievement of a goal, but it is to maximize your coach's potential. This is the purpose of the coaching. And this is the reason why coaching is so different than other interventions, other learning and development interventions. The focus of coaching is mostly on present and future goals, actions, and the development of an individual. It is not only to solve the problem and achieve the goal. Of course, solving the problem and achieving the goal is a part of the coaching, but it is not the whole coaching. The whole coaching is about transformation and development of an individual so that you reach your maximum potential. Coaching has a very defined process. I used to be mentor in my corporate life. I have spent 24 years of life in corporates, global organizations. I used to be mentor. I used to do the mentoring as per my own style. I used to do mentoring based on my mentee and based on the situation, and my process used to differ from mentee to mentee and the topic of mentorship. But when it comes to coaching, the foundational process remains same. Your approach changes based on the coachee. It is only the change of approach, but your process is very defined. It's a standardized process. It's a well-researched process. It's a well-validated process. Once you learn the process, you are going to successfully implement it. In coaching, it is the client who sets agenda. It is not the coach. It is the client. It is a client-driven process. Like in marketing, we say customer centricity, right? So like it is coachee centricity. The model of coaching is a partnership model. Coach is not guru. Coach is not a superior personality when the coach is coaching. Coach and coachee work at an equal level. Coach is an ally of coachee, partner. So the work culture, the way the conversation happens is very different. A teacher has a superior authority. Same is the mentor, even consultant. Consultant has the expertise, so he will talk based on his expertise. But it is not valid in coaching. In coaching, you work with the coachee in tandem, partnership. And that is the reason you need to learn this, because it is a bit different. We are not habitual to this kind of learning. We are habitual to a method of teaching, method of training, method of mentoring. But now we are talking about coaching. And why we are talking about coaching? Because coaching is one of the highest growing professions in the world right now. From $15 billion industry in 2019, coaching has become $20 billion industry in 2022. Actually, during the COVID, it was the coaching which has grown one of the most. Many industries were suffering, but the coaching has seen that now the world is becoming more and more aware about the mental wellness, about the balance of life, right? So this is now the golden era, the golden period for the coaching domain. Average, worldwide average, considering the developed countries, developing countries, all the countries put together. So this is a data given by ICF, worldwide report of more than 100 countries. The average income of a coach is $50,000 per annum. But when you become a specialized coach, when you develop your niche, either as an executive coach, business coach, relationship coach, marital coach, career coach, health and wellness coach, these are all niche. When you become niche coach, then your income, average income is double in the world right now. So this is all the statistics from a research report on the coaching 1 year before. Then the income is 100,000 US dollars per annum, which is more than 75 lakh rupees per annum. So this is the potential of the coaching income. And how much time coach works? Few hours per week, not per day, few hours per week. Most of the coaches are coaches in parallel to their existing profession or business. Most of the coaches are not doing the coaching full time. There are a variety of the reasons for it, because even the coaches are available on the weekends or on the evening and all that. So generally 80% of the coaches in the world, right, either do the coaching in the evening or on the weekends. So I am talking about the evening and the weekend income of a specialized coach, average income, not the highest income. I belong from a Pune city and I know a business coach who earns in crores per annum. His income is 7 CR per annum, last financial year income. But I'm not talking about those, right? There are many coaches who earns in millions dollars. I'm not talking about that. Of course, there are some coaches who earn less as well. But I'm talking about the average income. So the average income of 75 lakh rupees per annum, that is 100,000 US dollars per annum for a niche coach, is a phenomenal income, considering the investment of the time by coach. So the returns on your efforts are phenomenal in coaching. And it is not about only income. Income is a byproduct in coaching. It is not only for the income that a person becomes a coach. Coaching education is all about life wisdom. You become life wise. And one of the benefits of you becoming life wise is your financial income. But it is not the financial income which is the only driver for you to become a successful or competent coach. So this is the USP, or this is the important aspects of why one should become a coach. One should enter this in my career coaching, because I belong from the education industry. So I talk to many working professionals who want to basically grow in their career. So as a career coach, I always tell people to choose a career which is growing, choose a domain which is growing. That is the most important, right? If you are into the growing domain, automatically you are going to get benefit, right? So the same is true for the coaching. The coaching is one of the fastest growing professions in the world and one of the highest paid professions in the world. And this is the reason why right now many people are now trying to become a coach. But now always remember, when there is a growth in any profession, many people take quick decisions, and many times those decisions may not be well thought of. So this is the reason why I have curated a very, very comprehensive presentation for you, which will give you all the information about the coaching so that you can take a wise decision on which type of coach you want to become, with which institute you want to learn, and after learning what you are going to do and why you are going to do what you are going to do. Everything is part of our today's interaction. So why become a coach? One thing is, of course, the industry is growing. One thing is, of course, there is a high income potential. One thing is, of course, you will have a parallel career. You don't have to leave your existing job or business, but you can start your coaching practice parallelly. But this is not only about the money. This is not only about the career. See, the money and the career growth are the byproducts. That is not the only intention of becoming a coach. So why to become a coach? So the number one is your personal life. The coaching education wisdom makes you relationship expert, emotionally intelligent human being, behaviorally intelligent human being, resulting into flourishing relationships in your life. Your decision making becomes value-based decision making and not merely situation-based decision making. It is all about meaningful and fulfilling life, where your locus of control becomes internal, not external, not dependent on the feedback and the perception of other people about you, but you have that much self-awareness that you develop your internal locus of control. So the greatest benefit any individual, and this is from all my experience, this is not ICF slide, right? This is my own experience I'm sharing with you. So this is the first benefit of becoming a coach: enhancing your personal life, making it more meaningful and fulfilling. Second is professional life. My own example, after becoming coach, in next 4 years time, my career growth was 3x. I got practically 4 promotions, 3 promotions theoretically, but practically 4 promotions because of the additional responsibility. From a head of department, I became director of an organization, business division head, right? Why? Because it is not about you doing a coaching practice, you utilizing that particular wisdom of team management, team growth, relationships, inspiring people in your own career, resulting into your career growth. You start making a long-term career planning, because now you have a parallel income source. You don't have to only change the jobs for the increment or the salary. You start taking long-term decisions, value-based decisions, futuristic decisions. Your view towards your career gets transformed when you become a coach. And of course, you become a better leader. All coach competencies are leadership competencies. All coach competencies. A coach is a evolved leader. So, the benefit in your professional life. You don't have to live your professional life when you become a coach. You flourish in your personal and professional life, and parallelly, you start your coaching practice, professional coaching practice, which results into you becoming independent and you getting supplementary income. And it is not about only you. It is about you adding value and contributing to the lives of others. You transforming, you giving back to the society, because you are less than 0.1% of the fortunate population on this earth. You are well educated and you are thinking about becoming a coach. Do you know in the 7.5 billion population, how many are the coaches? Only 400,000 people are coaches in 7.5 billion population. You can't calculate the percentage. It will come in point something. And now you are thinking about becoming coach. So can you imagine how fortunate you are to even think about becoming a coach and being so educated that you are now thinking about giving back to the society? So, social contribution. So you make a social impact, recognition, respect. You create your own legacy when you become a coach. Of course, depending upon your potential and depending upon your competency, the impact can be less or more. But will there be impact? Answer is yes. However small it is or big it is, you shall make a positive social impact when you become a coach. So this is why you have to become a coach. Not only for income. Income is a byproduct. You follow the process and the result will follow. So the income, the money is byproduct. Automatically, you will get money, but you will flourish in your personal life, in your professional career, and you will make a social impact. So, to summarize, why become a coach? So, we all know Maslow's hierarchy, right? Physiological need, safety need, love, esteem, self-actualization. As per Vedic wisdom, as per Veda, the hierarchy is calm. Kam is pleasures of life, which is your physiological needs. Artha is material wealth, which is your safety, which is your love related needs, because love is also bonding, right? It is related to safety. So it is artha. Then comes dharma, which is your social responsibility. And then is moksha. Moksha is your self-realization, which you can say there is a simile between the self-actualization and the self-realization. So becoming a coach is all about self-realization, not only self-actualization. It is about self-realization. It is not only realizing your own true nature and potential, but also helping others in realizing theirs. You first realize yourself and then help others in doing so. That is the power of being a coach. It is all about life wisdom. It is all about living a meaningful and impactful life. It is all about self-actualization and self-realization. And then having a positive social impact and creating your own legacy. This is why you have to become a coach. And this is what coaches do. So most of you know about ICF, so I'm not going to spend much time, because you can go to Coaching Federation website and you will get all information about ICF. But since this particular introduction program is on ICF coaching programs, so just I'm briefing you. ICF is world's largest governing and credentialing organization of professionally educated coaches. Mark every word. Their presence is in more than 130 countries. They themselves do not train or educate. They are the governing and credentialing organization. They do the training and education with the help of training and educational partners like Master My Life. Who is Master My Life? One of the leading coach education providers in the world, accredited by ICF for highest possible coaching education. So there are variety of the programs, ACTP, ACSTS, CC. So MML is authorized to provide coaching education for all types of education pathways. Who is Master My Life? Master My Life is a learning 4.0 ecosystem. We are into education. We are collaborators of University of Mumbai, and we are designers and managers of world's first master degree in emotional intelligence and life coaching. Apart from that, we have a variety of other collaborations. We are a group of 3 organizations: Master My Life EQ Education Private Limited, Yumi and Life Coaching LLP, and Master My Life Foundation, each having its own separate vision, mission, and goal. Master My Life is into training and education. Yumi and Life is providing coaching services, business coaching, executive coaching, relationship coaching, and Master My Life Foundation is about imparting education to underprivileged. I became coach in 2014. That is, I completed my coaching education in 2014. But at that time, I was not aware about most of the things related to the coaching, accreditation, coaching business, nothing. I only got 60 hours training. After that 60 hours training, I was not knowing what next to do, how to start my coaching practice, what more I have to learn, what kind of credentials I have to look for, how to complete my practice, what should be my niche. I was not aware, because that was not part of that coach training program, unfortunately. This is the reason why we are conducting these sessions. I want you not to suffer the way I suffered when I became a coach. So how to choose a right training program, right education program for your specific need? What should be the minimum time investment? Because education is a process, right? Transformation is a process. If I give you some 1 week condensed program, that will be a wrong program. You can't become a coach in, say, 1 week time or 1 month time, right? It's all about transformation. It's all about self-realization. It is all about life wisdom. In 40 years, You are not life wise, and can you expect that within 1 month I can become life wise? It's a process, right? And the learning happens in stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. So you have to go in that particular stages. Coaching is not only about the coaching process and the coaching business. It is a lot more than that. It is not only about you becoming competent, but also successful, right? So different activities and the competencies are required to become competent in coaching and to become successful as a coach. So are you aware about that? Is your coaching education covers that? How to get ICF credentials? Whether I should go for ACC or PCC and then MCC or directly PCC? What is the minimum investment I have to make? How can I start my own coaching venture? What should be my niche and specialization? Because it depends on your background, right? For example, if I have more than 24 years of experience in global organizations, I have a background to become an executive coach, for example. Like that, what is your background? What are your strengths? What are your values? What is your passion? So it's a process to identify your specialization and niche. Is your coach education, coach training and education doing that? Helping you to know your specialization and niche? And how to establish your profitable coaching practice? Any entrepreneurial venture, it is not an NGO. Of course, you are making a social contribution. Of course, you are making a social impact. But you are providing a service in return of a remuneration. It has to be profitable. Otherwise, you will not sustain. If you sustain, you can impact 1,000 lives. If you do not sustain, you will stop coaching after 10 lives, right? So you have to be profitable to make yourself sustainable and to make larger social impact. So how to be profitable? Most of the coach training and education providers don't tell you. I'm saying most. I'm not saying none tells you, but most of them do not tell you. And this is the reason why we have understood it, because it is our own experience. From the experience we have learned, okay, this is the challenges what the coach aspirants are facing. And we have created an ecosystem where you are now going to take a fully informed, wise decision. What are the coach levels? Because I just said ACC, PCC, MCC. So just very briefly, I will tell you, that is, what are the coach levels? Which kind of coach you can become and how? The foundational level, the basic level, the level 1 is called as ACC, Associate Certified Coach, wherein you need to complete more than 60 hours of coach training and education, followed by 100 hours of coaching practice. That is, you as a coach doing coaching for 100 hours. So these are the two requirements of becoming ACC coach. When you become ACC coach, by completing minimum 60 hours of education, you get a certificate which is called as ACSTH, Approved Coach Training Program. So this is called as approved, not accredited, approved. We have a program which has 3 modules covered over a duration of 3 months, wherein the total certification is 86 hours. Minimum is 60. But if I have to give you the holistic knowledge, it is not possible in 60 hours. So our program at ACC level is of 86 hours, which includes education plus mentor coaching over the period of 3 months. But the most recommended and advisable coach training and education program is called as ACTP, Accredited Coach Training Program, wherein you become directly PCC coach, professional certified coach. You don't have to first become ACC coach, then take a gap, then again do another education, again do the coaching practice, again apply for the credentials. Every time you have to pay the fees for the credential. You don't have to go for the break journey. You can directly become a PCC coach. You don't have to first become ACC and then become PCC. You can directly become a PCC coach by completing at a time more than 125 hours of coach training and education. For your information, I am not a ACTP coach. I am a SCSTH coach because nobody guided me. I first become ACC coach because nobody told me that there is a more efficient, there is a more effective way available. So I went for a break journey and I spent enormous amount of time and energy in becoming a master level coach. Enormous amount of time and energy, which you can save if you choose a path called as ACTP. I'm not saying it is only available with Master My Life. It is the path by ICF. Many coach training providers have this path, but not that many, because this is the most advanced path. But in the world, there are few people, including Master My Life, who provides you ACTP education, which is an advanced level education called as level 2 education. So the Master My Life has a program called as Global Coach Certification Program, which is a ACTP accredited program of 6 modules, wherein you get 175 hours of training. Minimum is 125, but our program is 175. Why? Again, life wisdom, self-transformation. It takes time. You have to learn many things. It is not only about the coaching process and the coaching business and the coach competencies. It is about psychology, emotional intelligence, behavioral intelligence, neuro-linguistic programming, variety of aspects one need to know to become a competent and successful coach. So that is the reason the program is of 175 hours, spread over 6 months duration. And once you become PCC coach, then only you can think of becoming MCC coach. You cannot directly become MCC coach. Like you can directly become PCC coach, you cannot directly become MCC coach. MCC is Master Certified Coach. You must be first PCC credential coach to become MCC coach, wherein your total education hours need to be more than 200 hours and coaching practice of 2,500 hours. But today we are not going to spend much time into the MCC level, because there is no point in we talking about MCC level when you are not PCC, right? Right now you have 2 options. Either you become ACC coach or the PCC coach. Either you choose a path called as ACSTH or you choose a path called as ACTP. I am recommending you, with all my experience, that it is much more economical, much more efficient, much more faster and effective to become a directly PCC coach by choosing a program called as ACTP program. So, what are the stages of becoming a credential coach, whether it is ACC or PCC or MCC? The first stage is you need to be educated. So you should join a coach training cum education program, which includes mentor coaching. So education and mentor coaching happens parallelly. This is called a stage 1. So the mentors provide their mentorship to you. Experienced coaches provide their mentorship to you, which happens parallelly to your coaching education, is called as stage 1. Stage 2, you complete your coaching practice hours. How many coaching practice hours? If you have to apply for the ACC credential, 100 hours. If you have to apply for the PCC level, then 500 hours, and MCC level, which is 2,500 hours. But you cannot apply to MCC unless you already are PCC coach, right? So you complete your coaching education and mentor coaching, you get certified as a coach. So the stage 1 will certify you as a coach. You become a coach after you completing the stage 1. Then you parallelly, when you are doing your coaching education, parallelly you start coaching practice. And of course, you continue the coaching practice after you becoming a certified coach. So coaching practice happens during stage 1 as well as stage 2. And then you apply for ICF credentials if required. It is not mandatory that each and every certified coach has to be credential coach. Not necessary. You are already a coach, and if you are in a position to do your coaching practice, people are trusting you because you are already a coach, you already have established connection, you can do coaching without getting credentialing. Why? Because you are already a coach. In stage one is authenticating you that yes, you are a coach now. But when this particular credentialing helps you, branding. If you want to become executive coach, if you want to deal with corporates, then all these SCC, PCC, MCC matters. If you are not dealing with the big brands or something like that, but if you are a competent coach, you can start your coaching practice without getting credential also. So it is your own choice that depending upon case to case, we will mentor you. That is okay for you, whether you must apply for the credential or it is optional for you. But of course, coaching education is must. The stage one is must. As soon as you do the stage one, while doing the stage one as well as stage two, you start your coaching practice. And finally, you apply for the ICF credentials, which is optional. You can apply depending upon your case, or if you don't want to apply, depending upon your case, that is also all right. So that guidance will be provided to you. So the ICF education has 3 levels. Level 1 is called as ACSTH level, which is SCC level. Level 2 is more advanced level, which is called as ACTP level, which is PCC level. Level 3 is MCC level. And apart from this 3 level, there is another pathway or another ecosystem of ICF, which is called as CCE, continuing coach education. When you become coach, ICF expect you to continuously learn and develop. So within a 3 years period, after you becoming a credential coach, within 3 years period, they expect you to do at least 40 hours of coach training. Not a very formal coach training, but there are a variety of the ways in which you can attend the webinars, you can attend the master classes, right? You can go to the ICF website and take tests, as well as you can do some specialized programs on emotional intelligence, NLP, positive psychology, spiritual intelligence, which are part of the CC education stream, which is for the coaches. So if you are already a coach, you have to basically continually educate yourself, right? So this is for the CC. If you are a non-coach, you are practically having 2 levels, L1 and L2. Why not L3? Because for the L3, you first must complete the L2 level. So we are not talking about the L3 level, which is MCC level, right? So practically you have 2 options, going for either L1 education, level 1 education, or the level 2 education. My advice to you is to go directly for L2, level 2 education. Why? Because after becoming a level 2, after you completing that particular education, which is ACTP education, you still have option of whether you complete 100 hours and go for the ACC credential, or directly complete 500 hours and go for the PCC credential. So still the option is there, but you are already completing that particular holistic coach training education. Also, your coaching practice become more professional and competent because you have a very holistic understanding about the coaching. So our recommendation, although we have the L1 program as well, right? It is up to you. But as a master coach, it is my duty to give you the right guidance. And the right guidance is always go for level 2 education to start with itself. Don't spend time L1, then take a break, then again join L2, and then spend separate fees, and then the separate application, separate fees to ICF. Do not do it. Right, go for L2 education, go for ACTP program, most cost effective, most efficient, most comprehensive program. So ACTP, like I have already explained you, is the most comprehensive training. It covers all aspects of coaching, not only coaching process, not only coach competencies, but variety of the other life wisdom. Emotional intelligence, neuro-linguistic programming, human psychology, positive psychology, right? Separate sessions on executive coaching, business coaching, relationship coaching, marital coaching, child and adolescent coaching, group coaching. Everything is part of our ACTP comprehensive education program. It is a direct path to become a professional international coach. It is much more cost effective than a break journey of first becoming ACC and then again becoming a PCC coach. And the credentialing process for the PCC is the fastest. Then comes the second option. This is the most preferred option. Most preferred option is to go for the level 2 education, which is ACTP. If for any reason, unfortunately, someone is not in a position to do this, then there is an option called as ACSTH, whether you can complete, right, minimum 60 hours of the training, which is a foundational training. Then you have to go for a break journey. First become ACC coach, do your practice, then again do the advanced level 2 education, and then becoming a PCC coach. Overall, of course, you spend at least 50% more than the ACTP program. And the credentialing process is slow. Means if in case of ACTP program, there is a potential of you becoming a PCC coach in 1 year period, right? In ACSTH, you will take 3 years. ACTP 1 year to become PCC, minimum 1 year. And in case of the ACSTH, the same person will take 3 years to become a PCC credential coach. So this is the difference. And then there is an advanced training for the coaches. If you are already a coach, whether it is SSC or the PCC level, and you have to renew your credential, then you have to go for the continuing coach education, which is the advanced training. So these are the pathways. So now, as I already briefed you, Master My Life is the creator and manager of the world's first master degree in emotional intelligence life coaching, certified by University of Mumbai. So this master degree integrates ICF certification at PCC level. So the level 2 education is already part of our master degree, but our master degree is even more than that. In master degree, the training is for 1,000 hours, total training, for the period of say 14 months. So for a period of 14 months, there is 1,000 hours of training, not only for the coaching, but for the management, for the leadership, for the entrepreneurship, everything put together, there is 1,000 hours of training. Against that, the second most comprehensive program available in the world is called as the ACTP education, which is minimum 125 hours is the spec of the ICF. But in case of Master My Life, GCCP, which is Global Coach Certification Program, it is 175 hours, which is called as L2. The same program, the ACTP program of MML called as GCCP, is divided into 6 modules. So the M1 to M3, module 1 to module 3, if anyone completes the first 3 modules, it is called as SCC level training, L1. And if someone completes all the 6 modules together at one stage, then it is called as level 2 education, right? So the first 3 modules of the same program is called as L1, which is 86 hours of training. The entire 6 modules of the program is called as the ACTP program, which is 175 hours. And then if you are already a PCC coach and if you want to become a ACC coach, Master My Life has the most advanced level coaching education, which is L3, which is for the 76 hours. So our ACTP program, right, means the ACSTH and the ACTP are the same program, right? So the ACTP means 6 modules, and out of that 6 modules, if you complete only first 3 modules, then it is called as ACC level ACSTH program, right? So both the programs are starting on 11th of January. What these programs include? These programs include coaching education. Coaching education, what ICF wants to impart. What ICF wants to impart? Coaching mindset, 8 core coach competencies, coaching processes, how to conduct coaching session, coaching ethics. So variety of the stipulated curriculum is there from the ICF. So of course, the coaching education includes that, but it doesn't include only that. It has a variety of the other areas of the life wisdom, emotional intelligence, NLP, human psychology, positive psychology, behavioral intelligence, right? Variety, coaching psychology, many things. Who am I? Vedic wisdom. Everything is integrated into this 175 hours of education. And that is the reason we are not sticking to the minimum 125, but we are extending it to 175 so that we can complete the holistic transformation. This also includes observed coaching practice sessions. Means you will coach your buddy student in a same batch, and a faculty coach will observe and will provide you feed forward. So you will be observed as a coach. This also includes mentor coaching of 11 hours. So wherein a experienced professional coach will mentor you, specifically individual mentoring will be done for your specific case. And there is an additional support what only Mastermind Life provides in the world in the form of You, Me and Life Coaching Mastery Consortium, wherein we support you to complete your 500 hours of coaching practice, enabling you to apply for PCC level credentials without any additional cost. You have to pay only the fees of the program. All features comes along with your basic fee. No additional charge, no annual membership, nothing. Lifelong membership to the Mastermind Life coaching ecosystem once you complete your level 2 education. So, what is this GCCP program? What is this ACTP program? What is the curriculum of this program? What it contains? So the objective of this global coach certification program, one of the most comprehensive coach training and education program accredited by ICF, is to develop a learner to be a wise, successful and contributing coach. So 3 keywords. First is life wisdom. Second is you becoming a successful practitioner, coaching business. And the third is social contribution. So these are the 3 aspects on which the program is focused on. Development of your 8 core coach competencies aligned with the PCC markers. What is that marker and all that you will know during your training and education. Development of life wisdom, not only the coaching know-how, life wisdom, enabling you to decide your coaching specialization and niche, and inculcating client acquisition and business development skills. The most important, in today's world, it is not only enough to know, it is necessary to implement the knowledge for your and others' benefit. Entrepreneurship skills included into the program, not at a theoretical level, at a practical level, at an experiential level. You will make your own coach business plan. It will be validated by the experienced people, right? So everything is practical oriented, right? Action oriented, skill oriented, not the theory oriented. Because if you type in Google business plan, you will get all the formats of business plan, right? For which you don't have to pay fee and attend any coach training or any kind of, for that matter, education program. It is all about getting it done through you. It is all about learning from the peers. It is all about learning from the faculty coaches. It is all about learning from the mentor coaches, discussing with them, right? Your personal case and getting that feed forward, getting that insights. So this GCCP program, that is Global Coach Certification Program, which is the ACTP program, consists of the 6 modules. What are its features? Feature is, first is holistic development, life skills, coaching expertise, ample coaching practice during this education and training program, development of your business development skills, tools and techniques to develop business, acquire clients, mentor coaching, group as well as individual mentor coaching, and arriving at your coaching niche. Why it is important? Because unless you know your coaching niche, you cannot brand yourself accordingly. And if you don't brand yourself rightly, there is no question of you spending money on the sales and marketing or the social media marketing, right? You first need to know your positioning, and then only you will decide on your target customer and then your campaign. So all this will be taught to you by experts, social media expert, marketing and positioning expert, apart from, of course, the mentor coaches and the faculty coaches who are the ICF accredited coaches. Also, you will get the masterclass series complementary with this particular ACTP program, wherein there are 6 certifications: emotional intelligence coach, neuro-linguistic programming coach, coaching, sorry, not coach, coaching, positive psychology coaching, positive spiritual intelligence coaching, neuroscience coaching, and group coaching. These are the 6 additional certifications through master classes any level 2 coaching education student gets. So you get 7 certifications. One is, of course, the ACTP certification and 6 master classes certification. Why these master classes? Because you will use the tools and techniques taught to you in the master classes in your coaching practice. It is not for the certification purpose. It is just not to increase the quantum of the certification. Instead of 1 certification, you are having 7 certification. That is not the objective. Objective is that you will utilize emotional intelligence coaching, NLP coaching, positive psychology coaching, and all those types of coaching tools and techniques into your coaching practice as a professional coach. So this is what the holistic development we talk about. This is how we develop your coach's toolkit. The program is all about experiential learning. It's adult learning, right? It is not a teacher and children learning. It is all about andragogy, how adults learn. So there are 50 interactive sessions of the 2 hours each by a live faculty coach, of course, online. Out of which 24 sessions, approximately 50% of the sessions include coaching demo and coaching practice. That is how we hone your skill as a coach, competence as a coach during the program. And of course, there is a experience sharing, case study discussions on the actual coaching cases, and the tips from PCC and MCC coaches. Client acquisition support is where most of the programs in the world, and I'm going to provide you the recording of this particular session. This is already live on YouTube, and we are going to provide you the YouTube link of this particular session's recording. So I am live, as well as the recording will be available to not only to you, but to the ICF and all other coach training and education institute. And I'm making this statement: 99% of the coach training and education institutes in the world do not provide client acquisition knowledge as well as support. Forget about support. They do not even provide you the knowledge how to do it. Supporting you is very big step. And why Master My Life is going to means in a position to do it? Because we have a separate company, You, Me and Life Coaching LLP, which provides coaching services. So we are a ecosystem. It is not only about the training and education, but also it is helping you to give you the business cases. Of course, for which you have to develop your competencies, right? Right? Means if you don't become a competent coach, then a competent coach will get assignment over you, right? So if you are a sincere student, if you develop your competencies well, You, Me and Life is there to support you, impanel you as a coach. This is for the coaching business. But before the coaching business, right, you first have to start your coaching practice, which at a professional level, it is 500 hours of coaching practice. 500 hours of coaching practice is a sizable number of hours of coaching practice. How you will do it without support? I could not do it. When I become coach, at that time, I think my corporate experience was some 18 to 19 years, but I was not confident in starting my own coaching practice in spite of having so much corporate experience. It is not that easy. So we understand that we should provide you an ecosystem wherein without spending money on sales and marketing, you can start your practice. So that is what YML CMC is all about. You, Me and Life Coaching Mastery Consortium, where hundreds of coaches do practice with each other, paid as well as pro bono coaching practice. So that within less than 1 year, you can complete your 500 hours of coaching practice. You can hone your skills, and parallelly, you start, of course, taking the paid assignment. You will take the paid assignments on your own wherewithal, because we are going to teach you client acquisition, we are going to teach you personal branding, social media marketing, everything, organic campaign, inorganic campaign, everything will be taught to you. So you will develop your own skills. Plus, You, Me and Life will support you in giving business on revenue share. So this is the client acquisition support we are talking about. So this particular coach training and education, the first batch of 2022, in year 2021, we already had 6 batches. The first batch of 2022 is starting on 11th of January. And it is over the 6 months duration. The last session of the batch is planned on 7th of July. So exactly 6 months duration. The sessions will be conducted on each Tuesday and Thursday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m., 2 hours per session, weekly 2 sessions of the batch 1 2022, ACTP batch. 6 modules, 175 hours is called as ACTP. First 3 modules, 86 hours is called as ACSTH. If you want to become only SCC coach, you can complete only first 3 modules over the period of 3 months, right? So Dhruvalata, please mute yourself. Yeah. So the first 3 modules, ACC pathway. Entire 6 modules, ACTP pathway. Directly PCC coach. What is the structure of the program? 6 months program, Tuesday, Thursday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Effective learning is 175 hours. I will not explain you the breakup and all that right now, unless you ask me question at the end of the session. So it is a effective 175 hours of learning. Curriculum structure, 6 modules, 3 are foundational SCC levels, and the next 3 modules, module number 4, 5, 6 are at advanced level, PCC level modules. Andragogy is adult learning and Indian Vedic wisdom base. Shravan, Manan, Nididhyasan, Nirman Sadhana, which you will learn during the coach training and education. This is the curriculum. So the module 1 is all about coaching process. All yellow mark are the specialties of Master My Life, are the value additions of the Master My Life, which in 99% of the coach training and education organization in the world, you will not find them, right? Only means maybe in the world there are 2-3 organizations who have such a comprehensive curriculum. Master My Life is one of them, and leading organization who has such a comprehensive curriculum of 175 hours. So for example, in coaching process, appreciative inquiry, appreciative coaching is a value addition from the Master My Life, which most of the coach training institutes do not cover. In module 2, which is the coach competency development, we cover Indian Vedic wisdom based Who Am I? Vedant, which is based on the Mandukya Upanishad. Who am I? That we cover in module 2, which is a value addition from Master My Life. Of course, we are covering all the necessary components of ICF. Additionally, because 125 to 175 hours, ICF is asking for minimum 125 hours. Our program is 175 hours. This 50 hours difference, these are the value additions from our side. Why? Because to make you life-wise. In module 3 is again on the coach competency development, where we teach you client acquisition. Module 4 is focus on the psychology. Module 5 is to make you a master level coach. Although you can only apply for the PCC level, but your training is at a master coach level. Training is not at a level 2. Our program is designed for a master level coach directly, right? So NLP, emotional intelligence, executive, business, relationship, group coaching, everything is covered in the coaching mastery module. And the last entire module is only focus on coaching business. How can you become a successful coach? How you will identify your niche? How you will develop your personal brand? How you will do without the help of social media agency, your own organic and inorganic campaigns? How you will acquire your target clients, not any client, based on your specialization and personal branding, your target client. How you will develop your business plan. Everything is covered in the coaching business, which is module 6. This program of 175 hours includes 11 hours of mentor coaching. ICF regulation is minimum 10 hours. Our program includes 11 hours, out of which 8 hours of group mentor coaching and 3 hours are of individual mentor coaching. Your personal mentor coaching, depending upon your individual need. So these are the 4 sessions focusing on the structure of a coaching conversation, coaching challenges, means a coach generally faces some challenges. What are the solutions of that? How to develop a coach mindset and how to enable clients to succeed. So this is the group mentor coaching curriculum of the program. Again, designed by one of the best mentor coaches in the world. Now, this is about education. Whatever I have briefed, the curriculum, world-class curriculum, 175 hours, not only 125 hours, 50 additional hours, Vedic wisdom-based who am I, appreciative inquiry, NLP, emotional intelligence, behavioral intelligence, human psychology, right? All are the additions, but this is all education. Mentor coaching, yes, it is a part of the program, mentor coaching. But I have personally found it is not enough. Only training and education is not enough. Any aspiring coach, any person who completes his training and education requires hand-holding, especially in initial years. Not afterwards, of course, but especially in initial years. So we have created a Master My Life group ecosystem, which is a coaching ecosystem, which has 3 companies put together. We provide you 5 types of supports. What are they? Support number 1 is coach study guide. We have developed a very comprehensive notes for you for each and every aspect of becoming a competent, successful and contributing coach. It's a manual which is lifetime with you, a PDF editable version, lifetime it will be with you. So you don't have to look for hundreds of books to acquire knowledge. All crux of the life wisdom and the coaching know-how is into this particular coach study guide. Of course, there are external links, YouTube video links and everything, right? So a comprehensive coach study guide will be given to you on the day 1 of the program. What is the day 1 of the program? 11th of January for this particular year for batch 1. Learning management system. You will be given a 24/7 access to a learning management system, wherein there will be curated videos of each and every chapter. How many chapters are there in the program? 50 chapters. So there are 50 synchronous learning chapters. There are train asynchronous learning chapters, that is your homework. So there are videos for each and every chapter. There are ebooks. Of course, this particular coach study guide is a part of LMS, as well as you can download it on your computer, of course. And each and every live faculty session will be recorded and uploaded on the LMS in 2 days time. So if we have this particular session today, within 2 days, the recording will be uploaded. So even unfortunately, if you happen to miss the session, you can view this particular recording immediately within 2 days time. So this learning management system 24/7 support is provided to you so that you can learn as per your convenience, anytime, anywhere. Support system 2. So the first support system was related to education, right? Coach study guide, education. LMS, education. Now we seem to have a proper education. We seem to have a comprehensive, holistic education. We seem to have a 24/7 education support system. Is it enough? No, it is not enough. There is a asynchronous learning part. There are assignments. There is some extra reading. Many times we have observed, because this particular thing was not there in the first half of 2021, we understood that some of the students are facing challenge. They are not in a position to ask queries during the session, but after the session, they are thinking and then they are developing these queries. But the next session, next live faculty session is on a different topic. So they are hesitating to ask these particular questions. So we have decided from the October 2021 onwards to have one more voluntary attendance session. It is not that you must attend this particular session, because your mandatory sessions are synchronous learning sessions, which is on each Tuesday and Thursday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. India time. But apart from that, on each Monday, only 1 hour, 60 minutes, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m., there will be a session conducted directly by the Director Training and Education of the GCCP program. There you can ask any question. There you can ask any question on the assignment, on the homework, on the previous chapter, on the previous chapter, right? Anything you are free to ask, so that none of your queries will be left unanswered. Also, this asynchronous learning session will help you in peer-to-peer learning. You will share your experience. You are doing some homework, you are reading coach study guide, right? And you have some reflections. So it's a forum for you to share your reflections and learn from each other. Voluntary attendance. But the session is scheduled on each Monday. The session is going to happen for 60 minutes time. Now, coaching practice support, because it is not only about education. So there is a buddy coaching ecosystem in the program. So wherein at the end of the first month, why at the end of the first month? Because at the end of the first month, you will be learned in coaching process. Now you are in a position to start your coaching, right? On the day one of the program, you don't know. So at the end of the first month, when you know the coaching process, we will make a group of 3 people, a small cohort of the 3 students in each team, and they will start coaching each other as well as observing each other. So this is how we have the ecosystem, so that you start your coaching practice. Buddy coaching. Now this is the coaching practice. But is it enough? Unfortunately, no. So there is a professional forum of the coaches. You can't join this particular forum when you are not knowing the coaching process and when you are not developed the coach competence. But as soon as you complete the coach training and education, you automatically become part of YML CMC. No membership fee, nothing. It is not the commercial venture. It is a support system wherein hundreds of the coaches are present, and you start coaching each other, you start learning each other, right? So wherein you will be supported in completing your 500 hours of coaching practice in YML CMC. So now from the coaching education, we are supporting you in completing your coaching practice. Is it enough? It is good, but you need to have, if you want to be a successful coach, you need to have a toolkit with you. So we are helping you in having that particular toolkit. So Master My Life has developed variety of the online digital tests. You will be given access as a coach to these particular tests, so that you can give those particular tests to the coachee free of cost. No membership, no per test cost, nothing. Everything is provided to you from the Master My Life. Create My Key, another fantastic coaching tool. When a client will come to you, you will develop a key of the client's life, and the key will show you where that particular client requires help. And considering the tips of the key, you will decide how many sessions to plan. This is Create My Key tool. You will be given access to that. Apart from the YML CMC, you will be made a member of a global coaching circle in Europe, so that you will get the international exposure. And the masterclass series of the 6 masterclasses also will help you in developing your toolkit in emotional intelligence coaching, NLP coaching, positive psychology coaching, spiritual intelligence coaching, neuroscience coaching, and group coaching. So this is how we support you in developing your coach toolkit, enabling you to practice your coaching practice, start your coaching venture without investment of the money, because this is already provided you free of cost. So with this, I request Ashwin and team to share a LinkedIn post link, so that they can share their takeaway from till this point in time session. We are able to complete the session, but Yeah, please.
Yes, so the LinkedIn link will be shared in the chat. I would request all of you to share one thing that you learned in the comment section. So one thing that you learned about your coaching journey in the comment section. So you will shortly see the LinkedIn link on the chat. Here you go. So personally, one of the developments that I find extremely fascinating is the inclusion of the community, that is the YML CMC, that supports you on completion of your paid coaching hours, as well as your practice sessions, that is up to 500 hours of support, so that you can complete your certificate, complete your hours, and go for your credential. So I believe this A to Z closing of the loop is extraordinarily important, and it just so happens to be that we are the only training institute in the world that is able to extend this benefit to their learners, to their students, the members of the community. So to each one who's seriously interested in looking into becoming a coach, I believe that this actually becomes an unprecedented advantage for you, if I have to put it in a very simple sense.
Ashwin, this LinkedIn post link, ask them to post it on this ICF group as well. That is today's WhatsApp group for the event.
Yeah, sure. Definitely it will be done.
Because if some of them might face problem in clicking and all that, so on WhatsApp they might find it easy. So as soon as you complete your LinkedIn post, so it is not about only liking the post, but it is also having one of your learning posted on LinkedIn. So as soon as you do it, please show the thumbs up so that I know that you have already completed, and I will go ahead with the balance 10-15 minutes of the session, and then followed by that we will have the interaction question and answer session. So my plan is to complete this particular entire information exchange by say 7:40, so that last 20 minutes will be spared for our interaction. Okay, thanks Rishabh. So please show me thumbs up so that I understand that you have completed the post.
So I like Minku's comment. She says that there's lots of information to process, quite a lot of overwhelming information. But I'm sure, Minku, that post the session, what I'll be doing is I'll be making a point, at a point that I'll share the recording with you. So you will be in the position to rewatch and revisit some of the important facets and areas. And of course, I believe you are in touch with the head of enrollments, Rishabh, as well. So any questions that you have, I believe would be answered. So the idea is to simplify it as much as possible.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ashwin and Mr. Hemant. That was amazing. But like I said, I have to process this. But
Yes.
fantastic start. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, I can understand where you're coming from.
Yeah. So the coach journey, the journey of becoming a competent and successful and contributing professional coach. It is not about only becoming competent. It is also not about only becoming successful, but also contribute to the society, right? So these are the three aspects of a master my life educated coach, not only trained coach, educated coach, right? So what is this coach journey? So the first is time investment. Like Minku was mentioning that this particular information is exhaustive. So the coach education is also exhaustive, but we absolutely understand that 90% plus of the coach aspirants already have the life responsibility, either responsibility in personal life or responsibility in professional life, right? So the coach education has to be designed to facilitate the adult learning, wherein they can complete the coach training and education while managing their current time investment and the responsibilities. So what is the time investment we have designed the program for? So we have designed this particular program for a time investment of 8 hours per week. If you give 8 hours per week to this coach education program, then it is my word to you, but of course, sincerely, if you give sincere 8 hours time investment into this particular coaching program over the period of 6 months, I assure you that you shall become competent, successful, and contributing coach. What is the breakup of these 8 hours? 4 hours are, of course, your faculty coach online sessions. Each Tuesday and Thursday, 2 hours. So the 4 hours per week, they are going to train you. They are going to coach you online. So this is the one part. But apart from that, there are another 3 parts. This is, of course, mandatory. Means, of course, you have to attend this particular session. And we fully understand that as a busy professional, you must be traveling and some kind of issues here and there. So we expect 80% of attendance for this particular online sessions. And if you miss, what will happen? You have to go for the live recording of the session uploaded on the LMS. So practically, you have to attend 100%, either live or through the recordings. But we recommend you to attend at least 80% live, because the live experience is a live experience. You will not get that experience in a recorded session. So this is 4 hours per week. 2 hours is your homework, voluntary. We are not going to police you. I mean, this is not a school, right? Means where the teacher will check your assignments. No. But you have been provided LMS and the coach study guide, and you have to do your homework and self-study. So the expected is 2 hours per week, as per your convenience. Whether it is weekday or weekend, it is up to you. But within the week, it is expected that you do your 2 hours of self-study. Self-study means reading the coach study guide and LMS. You don't have to look here and there. Everything is given to you on platter, but take advantage of that platter. The third is 1 hour per week asynchronous learning session from the direct voluntary attendance, not mandatory attendance. But if you attend this 1 hour per week, whatever questions you are having, you are free to ask. Means you are on a 10th session and you have a question on first session, no problem. Peer-to-peer learning. So this is a fantastic forum given to you. In your self-study, you are having some queries. Ask those particular questions here. If you have some reflection, insight, if you have read something good related to that particular topic, share it with the faculty, that is director training, as well as your peers. So this is a forum of 1 hour per week. And 1 hour per week is buddy coaching practice. Starting the second month of the program, right? Each week, you will have the buddy coaching session. As per your convenience, you and your buddy. Again, it is not monitored by Master My Life. We are creating an ecosystem. We are giving you the buddy. And now it is up to you and buddy to decide on the timing, when you will do practice and how you will do practice. Again, you are free, you are adult learner. So only this particular live faculty sessions and the asynchronous learning from a director, this dark gray color diagonals are structured by Master My Life. So you will get the Zoom meeting link, everything, Google Calendar, everything for these two. Self-study as per your convenience, buddy coaching practice as per your and your buddy's convenience. So this is the 8 hours time investment per week. If you are not in a position to do it, practically you should not take admission, right? Because every one of you want to become a competent, successful and contributing coach. I hope so. So if you are ready to put in 8 hours of investment per week, then you are eligible to join this ecosystem. Because we are very proud of our program. We want our coaches to succeed and contribute to the society, right? So this is as good as eligibility. So first thing that is, okay, am I in a position to do this 8 hours of investment? If the answer is yes, then you are eligible to join this particular program. Because we are not here to earn money. This is not a pure business venture. Master My Life is doing this as a contribution to the humanity, because we believe that coaches contribute to the humanity. And I don't want a Master My Life coach is half-cooked coach. No, I want you to really competent, successful and contributing coach. So this is our expectation, that is you invest 8 hours of your time per week for the 6 months duration. What are the milestones on becoming a competent, successful and contributing coach? The first milestone is coach training and education, right? 175 years of hours of education, wherein we are providing you additional support of asynchronous learning in the world. Again, I am live. In the world, no coach training and education provider gives you this additional session by the director training, right? So this is all Master My Life creation. We are the benchmark. We do not benchmark others. We are the benchmark. So this is the additional support we provide to you during your coach training and education. Number 2, mentor coaching and coaching practice. We support you in completing the 500 hours of coaching practice. And we support you in getting your ICF credential through YML CMC, through YML Coaching Hub, through MML Coach Toolkit, right? So these are the 3 levels. Complete your coaching education, complete your mentor coaching and coaching practice, and get ICF credentials. But I will again simplify it. I will again break it down for your easy understanding. Recap. 5 steps. What are those 5 steps? First step, you complete your coach training and education, which in our case, in Global Coach Certification Program, that is GCCP, it is 175 hours of coach education. During that, you complete the mentor coaching, because it's a combo. Coaching education comes with the mentor coaching, right? So the 1 and 2 is a combo. You first do that. Once you do that, you get a coach certification. You will be authorized. Master My Life and International Coaching Federation will certify you that you have completed the coach training education, including mentor coaching. So the step number 3 is you getting the certified as a coach. Now coaching practice. But coaching practice starts with your coaching education parallelly. It is not that after certification only you start coaching practice. No. Maybe at start you will do buddy coaching practice, you will do pro bono, no problem. But you are doing coaching practice, right? So the coaching practice is starting at level 1. It is continuing at level 2. It is continuing at point number 3. And at the end, you apply to ICF for credentials if you need, right? I already told you it is not essential for you to get credential. Why? Because you can do your coaching practice on the strength of your coach training and education certification. But if you want to establish brand, if you want to get business from the big corporate, then they require, right, that you are a credential coach and all that. So that is the last level of you getting credential, right? So complete your education. Along with your education, of course, you complete the mentor coaching, because the education is a combination of the training and mentoring. Then you get the coach certification. You are authorized to do the coaching practice professionally at an international level, right? Then from the Master My Life, you get continual support of completing your coaching practice. And finally, you apply for ICF for the credential. So this is the coach journey in simple 5 steps. So what we have learned today. So before, say, testimonials from my students and introduction to the faculty coaches, mentor coaches, and director training education, let me rephrase why to become a coach. If you end up with a boring, miserable life because you listen to your mother, father, teacher, or some guy on the television telling you how to do and what to do without knowing your true potential and true nature, then you deserve a boring and miserable life. Decide what you want to be. Of course, pay the price for it. Invest your time and energy into your dream, into your passion, into your own transformation, and be what you want to be. So how you will become a better version of yourself during this coach training and education? On the back of the wisdom coming from who am I? Vedant, emotional intelligence training, behavioral intelligence training, which is part of our coaching education, conversational intelligence, neuro-linguistic programming, human psychology, positive psychology, and coaching mindset. That is why you become a better version of yourself, enabling you to start alternate respectful career, enabling you to grow more in your existing career, whether it is business or job, and finally create your own legacy. Animal also come and live and die, right? As a human being, we have to attempt to create our legacy, make some positive impact on the humanity. That is what this coach education enables you. This is why you have to become a coach. So with this, I request Ashwin and team to please post this survey form link.
So I think, Hemant sir, we can move on to the experience sharing of coaches as people are filling their survey forms, contemplating on the next action. It would be fantastic to hear from our own family members.
Yes. Harshada, can you please moderate it?
Yeah, very good evening, everyone. So we have our password batches learners here to present their excellent experience in front of you. So I would request Dimitri first to go ahead, as he belongs to batch 4, which is in a serial. Your batch upcoming would be batch 6, but then we call it batch 1 of January 2022. And Dimitri is currently enrolled for his JCCP journey. Over to you, Dimitri, please.
Thank you, Harshada.
Yeah.
And thank you to Hemant, Ashwin for this opportunity. So I want to share, I'm from Sri Lanka. I'm evidently the first student from Sri Lanka. And I only got to know about ICF in August. I didn't know about ICF. I didn't know about coaching, ACTP, PCC, nothing. I just stumbled across through an Instagram post, and it really interested me because it talked about a workshop that they were having for 6 weeks. And I realized that I had been already doing coaching in an informal way, but without knowing anything about the structure or what it was. And it also made me happy to know that I loved doing something and I could get paid pretty well for it, for doing this thing. So I thought, why not check it out? So I came for those workshops, and I wanted to explore as to what is this PCC, what is ACTP. So I had a long chat with Ashwin and got all the details. And then after that, I did evaluation from local providers, and I found that They don't even offer ACTP, and they only offer AC, STH, and the cost of that was significantly higher. So what I found was I evaluated Sri Lankan providers, Indian providers, Dubai providers, and right along I found two things. One, the cost wise, it was 50% of what was being offered locally here, as well as the Dubai. Volume wise, they were doing a lot more hours of work in terms of what we had to do in order to get the PCC credentials. So I felt that the fact that Master My Life was putting a lot more work into getting that credential means they put a lot more value on the credential, and we will have to work harder to get it. And that really is of value in a thing like coaching. So, and also I found that they had a lot of other facilities like ebooks and the coach study guides. Then also they had the YML, where we could interact with other coaches from other batches and do coaching sessions with them. All things they will teach us how to do Facebook and Instagram marketing and so on. And so in a sense, we don't need to worry about just being given a credential, given a certificate, and where we have to then sort things out ourselves. They will make sure that you get on the right track in terms of marketing yourself. So a couple of pointers I want to give you that I have experienced. Number one, if you're part of the weekend batch or the weekday batch, try to come for the other batch also. It's not mandatory, but it's very useful. And I'll tell you why. Even though Hemant and everyone might say it's the same content, it's the same subject content, but you have two different teachers. It's going to give you two different perspectives. And I can tell you, I have found that what they present and the way they present is different. So if you can make the time, make sure you come for both batches. That's number one. Number two, watch the videos of your batch and the past batch multiple times, even when you're driving. Listen to it. Of course, don't watch it while you're driving, but listen to it. Listen to it while you're doing your work, wherever possible. If you're doing housework or whatever, listen to it during that time. Because what I found was the more I listen to it, the more it comes into me. That's my way of learning, but I'm sure it will work for anybody. Just listen to the videos and then that material will come into you. Number three, read the coach study guide often and try and read some of those ebooks that they give in order to fully round off your learning. Number four, soon as possible, make friends with your batchmates and get connected with them, because almost from week one, you can start doing your coaching. We actually started, I think, in about week 2 or 3, and we did our first coaching session, and that was pretty good, even considering we didn't know a great deal about it. But we did appreciative inquiry. I think by week 2, we were able to do that. So get on to doing that. Don't wait for them to tell you, we need to have a recording at the end of month 3. Just straight away get into it, because honestly, you can't go wrong at this point of time. And if you're going to go wrong, you better go wrong now than when you're sitting with a paying client. Okay, so that's that. Number 4, make yourself proactive in reaching out to the people who are, for whatever reason, less active. Volunteer to help them in their coaching, and that will build you up also, because when you teach them, you will learn much more than any other way that you can do. Even I would say, as much as doing, when you teach someone, you will get as much an experience of like you're doing. So reach out to the batchmates who are not so active in the class or not doing their coaching the way that you are doing it, and tell them, look, I'll help you to do your coaching. What is it that you need? So when you do that, it will benefit you. So those are a few of the things that I can tell you. And just don't panic. Don't look at 500 hours and panic. That is one of the things that you will have a tendency to do, but don't. Because if you think about it, really speaking, even if you're doing another job or whatever, and this is just something you're doing part-time, even if you do 5 hours a week, you will get there in a period of time. And eventually, if you get a paying contract, you will get a much larger number of people and you will complete. But the important thing is not to look at 500 hours and get worried. The important thing is to say, today I did 1 hour, or today I did 2 hours, and today I read another chapter or 2 of the book. That is more important, and that will give you a far better foundation than panicking about 500 hours. 500 is a number. MCC, I think they have, I don't know, 1,500 hours or something like that. But looking at numbers, at the end of the goal, you have to put your foot in front of you, one step at a time. So also there is nothing in terms of the material that you need to worry about, because a lot of this is common sense. If you are a person who likes to talk to people, and if you are a coach, I hope that you're a person who likes to talk to people, because otherwise coaching is not really for you. But if you like to talk to people, and if you're genuine in connecting with people, none of this is going to be Greek to you. Yes, you will have to understand the nuances of how to do the coaching process, and that's tricky at the start. But it's nothing that you won't do once you get the hang of it. And really, this is not life or death. So there is nothing that significant that I can see can go wrong in terms of you causing lasting damage to anybody. So don't worry. Don't cause drama in your group. Take it easy. Remember that you guys are having more than we had when we started, because MML has also learned from whatever. I don't want to use the mistakes because I can't think of any mistakes, but it's a learning process for everybody. They also experimented with new things, tried it out in our batch. It worked or it didn't work. Batch 5, probably they're implementing some, they are not implementing some. Your batch 6, so you've got the benefit of experience of not only batch 4, that's us, but batch 5, and also of course 1 to 3 who went before us. So even though we may have a bit of envy about you guys and all the benefits of learning that you guys are going to face, that's okay, we don't mind. We will share our experience when you join us on Thursday evening at the YML session from 6:30 to 8 or thereabouts. So I would encourage you immediately from now, just join in. No one is going to eat you. They will help you, and even you can watch and learn what's going on, even if you don't want to do it yourself. So join the Thursday. Do not panic if anyone says we don't know anything, we don't want to join. Fine, you let them be. You join and you come for YML, because being at YML, you can actually get the practical experience. And most important, you lose your fear. That's a critical thing. If you lose your fear, that's one of the sessions that Hemant did with me. I also had that thing about a different issue, but one of the things we learned was know your value, know that you can't go wrong, and be fearless in what you do. I know that Hemant will remember that session because I remember it well. So I thank you for the opportunity. You have made a good decision in joining MML as opposed to any other place. So more exciting things are coming in the pipeline, things that haven't been done before. So you can stay tuned for all that. But from what you have decided to go for now, jump in without any fear, because it's a welcoming family. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dimitri, for such a great perspective. And what Dimitri said is absolutely right, because coaching has to be experienced without looking into the outcome. Credentialing definitely is one of the relevant, important thing, and that would come in a way. But what is important for a coach is to look at coaching as a fashion. And we really thank Dimitri for sharing his perspective here. So now I would move on to Prashant Pimpalkute, who belongs to our batch 4 and completed his ACTP journey. And he has started his own practice also recently as well. He belongs to manufacturing sector and a huge experience into the same. So over to you, Prashant, please. I think he's traveling today with a low bandwidth, so he can't open up his video.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you.
Also, just a small notification to all the students before Prashant sir, you speak. For those who are not able to access links through chat, we'll be sharing it on your WhatsApp groups as well. I'm talking about the survey links. Yes, Prashant sir, over to you.
Hello. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not able to start my video because I'm traveling and there's a dark nights in the car. Am I audible properly?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. Harshada and Ashwin, for giving me this opportunity. Actually, you have explained everything, man. You, Ashwin and Hemant has beautifully explained the content of the course, so I will not go through that. And Dimitri has also told how you have to take the course. So I will only say that after 37 of years of experience in working in the industry, in the manufacturing, when I retired and started my own, wanted to start my own coaching business on a formal level, I was looking for something which is not too theoretical and which will give me kind of a practical inputs into the thing, which will give me the overall perspective of once again the refreshment of the entire conceptual knowledge and the skill set required for being a good coach. And obviously, I don't have much of time available, obviously, because at the age of 63, when I'm starting this career, maybe I'm counting about 10 to 15 years at the most. No? And I want to launch this as fast as possible. And when I was looking for various coaching classes and various coaching institutes and studied them, I found MML offers a absolutely wonderful kind of a course program, which has got all the elements as Hemant has explained you. I mean, it is a theoretical part, it is the practical part, it is a hand holding. There is a lot of learning, there is a lot of peer coaching, a lot of exposure, and even before you come out of the course, you already have some credits of ICF under your belt. And not only that, as Hemant sir has very clearly told, you can generate a lot of coaching hours through YML, through MML, through buddy coaching, and through the network that you create out of it. No? So for becoming a coach, for catapulting yourself in a fastest possible manner into a kind of a very competent, a wonderful coaching career, I think the package that MML gives, at least as far as my knowledge goes, has no parallel into the coaching institutions. I may be wrong, but wherever I have made my own inquiries, I found MML is the best. And let me tell you, the value for money is the highest here. I mean, hardly you hardly have any coaching class which runs for so much of a time, which has so compact and course content, and which gives you a kind of a I can say it gives you a kind of a alma mater. I mean, it is something which is great. No? I mean, you suddenly start to feel becoming part of the family. You have somebody to bank upon. You have somebody to go back to and say, "Oh, I want some help in this." And people are there, which are there ready to help you. Because as I see, and as Hemant has very rightly said, this is the MML is not running this as a business. I can see that myself. It is more run as a passion. It is more run as a kind of a social service. It is more run as a kind of a help to the professionals to stand upon themselves, and through that serve the society. So it is a very noble kind of a thing. So it is a business combined with a noble intent, and packed with a very, very, very highly what do I say, compact program. And most important, MML has got a lot of faculties who are themselves ICF, PCC level faculties, a lot of personal experience. They mentor you, they guide you. I mean, overall, if you say in the scale of 1 to 10, I would rate it somewhere as 9.5, 9.7. No, I mean, these kind of rating I would give. And those of you who really want to make career out of coaching, you want to really become your career as a coach, at whatever the age you are. Forget about me, I am 63. But even if you are at a 25-year-old, 30-year-old, 35-year-old, I'm sure you will be equipped with all the necessary skills and competency through this course to be able to stand up in the market as a very competent and very attractive coach. And I see the future that the brand is getting built. I mean, what I'm seeing that MML is very gradually, very painstakingly, very intelligently building themselves a brand. And one of the best advantage of joining MML is you will be owning a brand. I mean, after some days, some years, you should say, where did you do your coaching from? And if you say MML, like I very proudly say, where are you from? I am from Larsen and Toubro. I work for Larsen and Toubro. I work for Triveni Turpan. And people say, oh, you work for Larsen Toubro, huh? Like that. Oh, you did your coaching from MML. Oh, that must be you are a fantastic coach. I mean, the credentials that you are getting will be equivalent of ICF credentials after a few years, and that is, and I bet you that is going to happen. So I wish you all the best, and please take a decision very quick. January, February, March. Don't waste your time. Start your coaching learning and your coaching practice, and the entire institution will be behind you to help you, as it is behind me to help me. Thank you once again, Dr. Harshada, Hemant,
you.
Ashwin. Thank you very much for giving the opportunity. Back to you, Dr. Harshada.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much, Prashant. Thanks for
Harshada,
your time.
Yeah, so now we have to move because
Yeah.
as far as the testimonials is concerned, because of the time management. So now I'm just sharing with you a very brief introduction. So the first is management, then is the director training, mentor coaches. I will introduce. Lead faculty is present, so he will introduce himself. So yeah, so I'm educationist, executive coach. My expertise is into life skills, especially emotional and behavioral intelligence and neuro-linguistic programming. I'm the founder director of Master My Life. So the Harshada can say a few words about herself.
Yeah, so I come from around 20 years of experience into management and IT industry, plus into education for almost 15 plus years. And I've done doctorate in emotional intelligence. So my core competencies lies into EI coaching and NLP. And I'm with Master My Life EQ Education as a director academics.
Thank you. Ashwin?
So hi, I'm sure most of you would have already spoken to me. I take care of your branding as well as of ensure that your journey is smooth. So every hour I'm thinking, how can we make your coaching journey better and how can we make the entire process smoother? So welcome to the family.
Thank you. Meghna?
Hi, good evening. I'm Meghna. I come with about 20 years of corporate work experience before I transitioned into a career of coaching. I'm your director training for the program. I'm a practicing coach myself, clocked close to 2,600 coaching hours. I will look after a lot of your coaching needs, your practice needs, your competency needs, and absolutely anything else in the program that requires coordination. We'll bump a lot into each other. I just want to say that as a faculty, I'm really proud to be associated with this program. I think it's the most comprehensive, best curated program that we have in the industry. So welcome and look forward to meeting all of you.
Lata and Anita are our mentor coaches. Again, a lot of experience. They have been instrumental in designing the world-class curriculum of the mentor coaching program for Master My Life. So they're always there to mentor you throughout the program. And Puneet Mehrotra is our lead faculty who is present here. So over to Puneet. Okay, so
yeah, he's there in the meeting.
Yeah. So the Puneet, you have to unmute yourself.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yeah.
So thank you, Hemant, for that fantastic presentation. And it's really inspiring. I've heard this for the first time. And I can imagine that the way comprehensively you have explained everything, if I put myself back 5 years ago, what I knew about, I went through the STH pathway myself before I became wiser to go into the ACTP PCC programs. I can completely relate to what you just said. So a warm hello to everyone here. I'm an ICF PCC coach. I did my coach training under Peter Redding from Coach for Life US and then Coach Arya. I totally echo the importance of the alma mater. I think it's very important what kind of coaching excellence you've been a part of to shape the being. Your role and soul of the coach gets shaped there forever for life. I also believe that we are human beings and not human doings, So social conditioning, the rigmarole of the doing world often absorbs us. I think coaching really helps us go deep for self-discovery, understand our being self, and then align our doing with the being. When doing and being aligns, its resonance, it unleashes full potential. So I'm a big propounder of that. And I think coaching is now a purpose of my life after 24 years of professional experience as a business head, as a sales head, marketing head, as a part of research teams as well. So really eager, excited, looking forward to adding value, looking forward to co-create, co-learn, partner, and two to tango. You know, we should do everything in tandem. All extremely excited to be a part of this endeavor. Thank you, Hemant and team.
Thank you. Thank you, Puneet. So, Parinita is our senior faculty member as well as the lead faculty for few of the batches. She helps us in development of the content. Sham is a master coach of NLP. He takes sessions related to NLP. Milind takes sessions related to emotional intelligence, as well as he is a chief officer of You, Me and Life Coaching Mastery Consortium, so which you will know in a month's time. Dr. Shilpa Suri, who is a psychologist, PhD in psychology, she takes care of sessions related to psychology. Pallavi is again our senior faculty member, and these are few of the international coaches who are associated with us. All are MCC coaches. So the Alex focuses on the coach business development. So he takes few sessions on M6. Osama focuses on business coaching, group coaching. Ross focuses on group coaching, and Mark focuses on the positive psychology. So with this, I want to launch one just poll to just clarify understanding, and I have launched the poll. So just see, the question is, when can a learner start coaching practice? And there are 3 options. So please choose one option as per your current understanding. So last 10 seconds to respond. Last 3 seconds. Thank you. So I'm just sharing the results. So 75% of you are on dot. So I'm just stopping the sharing. So you start your coaching practice before completion of the entire ACTP coach training, because ACTP coach training is advanced level, ACC plus PCC put together. You complete the foundational level of the coach training education when you complete M3, which is 3 months of the program duration. That is first 3 modules. As soon as you complete them, you start your coaching practice, because you already have completed the foundational level of the coaching know-how, right? Parallelly, you get advanced level education, you get mentor coaching, right? And of course, then you establish your coaching business, you continue practicing your 500 hours of the coaching practice hours, then you apply for ICF credentialing. Okay. So practically, when you join this particular program, within 3 months, you start your coaching practice. Okay. So what we have learned and experienced today. So this is the last slide. So the first is that now you have the complete clarity on becoming, how to become an ICF professional coach. Why to become a coach and how to become a coach, ACSTH level, ACTP level. So you have now the complete clarity. Now you know the world-class coaching, education and business practice ecosystem, which is a combination of Master My Life and You, Me and Life. So you already now are aware of it. Coaching is not only about the money and the business. Money and business is a byproduct. When you become a coach, you become life-wise. You attain your self-actualization and you make a positive social impact, right? That is what we have learned today.